I have an order and I already put it in the thing. The first one is the I Bloom Blue.
Oh wait, that's not the I Bloom Blue. Sorry.
Yeah, Mom.
It's in here. It's in here. See,
the
it's
second
that one.
It's
the black.
the Purple Bloom,
This one.
which is $12. The first one was $100. The turtle seashell. The turtle shell is $1,000.
This one, guys.
Because that one's my most popular one lately, and her total is $1,112. So, guys, and this is my mother makeup.
Yeah, that's my makeup. She's using my makeup. Give me my makeup.
Because we're gonna get rich, Mom.
Rude.
Because it's Beyonce, and we're gonna get rich, and I'll buy you another one.
Okay, you better.
Mom. We are just gonna give her the powder. Why not? I mean, my mom wants this. Actually, you're not gonna give her the powder. You're gonna give her the lid.
Thanks, honey.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the makeup. Well, guys, she'll see you guys later when she gets another one. Bye.
You have to get it like your mom yourself. Hey guys, ready?
Sweetie, you don't need this. You need money.
Well, did I get an order? Mommy, did I get an order?
Yes, you did get an order.
Hey, is it this?
Yes, it's that.
What's this?
It's supposed to be a Beyonce lid.
Oh, it's my note. I Bloom Blue, $100. Purple Blue.
I will read that out there. So it says, I Bloom Blue, $100. Purple Blue, $12. Turtle Shell, $1,000. And her total was $1,112.
What is this slime?
I have no idea.
Is this supposed to be my purple blue?
Yes,
I'm gonna mix some of this stuff in. I don't know what it is. I hope it makes it look pigmenty. I don't know. But there's one slime. It's bad rating. Like, don't buy it. Like, literally. It breaks up every time you start. Next is this I Bloom Blue. I hope it's worth $100. Guys, it's actually an I Bloom Blue, I think. I've never seen an I Bloom. I Bloom Blue.
And if you didn't know, it's the I Bloom Blue.
Guys, what's making it not so stretchy? Slime's normally stretchy. Like, what the heck? Let's see. Ew, you guys see that? There's like hair in it.
Honey, you need to speed this up.
Guys, you see there's hair in it. I love this though. It's got hair in it. Okay, well, next one. I just made a fart and made it up. Next one. I can't spend all the time on just one slime. Ooh, what's this one? Is this my turtle shell for $1,000? This better be my turtle shell, and it better be worth $1,000. It's disgusting.
But you said, yep, this is definitely the turtle shell.
Yep, this is definitely a turtle shell.
Right, honey, let me feel it.
No, Mom.
Honey, let me feel it.
$1,100.
I will give you $200 if you let me feel it.
No.
1 million.
No.
All the money I have, and you could go spend it on everything.
But guys, this is now you owe me all your money.
This is definitely the I Bloom Blue, not I Bloom Blue. The
Guys,
turtle shell.
I get the thing about it being turtle shell because it's got sand from like a turtle, like from the sand of the beach. So I like this, except for the smell. It smells disgusting. But anyways, I just gotta say, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. But I will see you guys. Just pause it. Ready? I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys! If you guys don't know these voices, hey, what you doing? Do yours.
Don't you even think about it.
If you guys don't know those voices, well, those were us in the background as the moms.
And as this video was a skit.
I hope you guys enjoyed the skit.
Hey. The skit was awesome to make. This is all the slimes we actually have. There's 1, 2, 3. That's all until we make more. This one actually has hair in it. And this one actually feels like a sand beach something.
And this one actually feels like putty, literally, guys. Look.
It does not. Look, guys, look. It doesn't even poke really good. It pokes.
On it. Bye.